Hey, it's Tim from iRepair here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to show dislikes on YouTube videos again. So you're going to want one Chrome extension for this, and I'm going to leave a link to it in the description below. It's called Return YouTube Dislike. So for example, MrBeast's video, you can't see it, let's add it. Alright, it's been added. Then just reload. There it is, 15,000. Nah, I wouldn't do that to MrBeast. But let's just get a thumbnail going here from our YouTube video. Okay. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, let's see if I can add like a red circle or something. Oh, that is perfect. Okay. Okay, this is awesome. Okay.